Yo, what is going on, guys? JC here, and what I'm bringing you guys today is going to be a pretty quick video. So with DayZ just updating to 1.27, some of the old loading screen scripts are not working. We're going to be showing you guys how to create your own custom loading screen that works with 1.27. This was working with 1.26, but like I said, some of the mods that were out there weren't working. This one still works, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I will provide the files for you. It's actually very, very simple. So what you're going to do is you can download this folder. I'll have it like linked to Mediafire or something. There'll be a link in the description. But once you get your fixed loading screen, you're going to have some folders in here. You're not really going to want to mess with too much that's in here aside from what's inside of your data folder. And I'll explain this. So there's some things you can do here. This is my PNG. This would just be the loading screen that I was using for this, but we're going to create a whole new one. And I'll go through everything with you guys. So if you want a multi-screened, like if say you could have if you want 3 different images to have like every time it's randomized as to what loading screen you want, you can do it with this, or you can just have one single loading screen, which is the way we're going to do it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up whatever type of photo editing software you have. You need an image. The image needs to be 2048 by 1024. That is absolutely crucial. It's got to be 2048 by 1024 because that is how the game reads it. So we're just going to come into here. I'm going to basically just fill in. Let's just grab a random color. This color looks good. We're just going to kind of fill in this background area. And then I'm just going to add a text tool. And I'm just going to say, this is my test loading screen. All right. Go ahead and change the color of this to like black so it'll actually stand out. Hit save. Close this up. So there is our text. It's going to look like crap, but it's okay because this is just a test, guys. We're just making a test. So now what we want to do is we want to move this down. We'll put it like kind of right in the middle and good. So we're going to export this as a PNG. I'm just going to send it to my desktop for right now. And we're just going to say test. Actually, what I'm going to name this change me. So that way you guys know to change it. We're just going to do it as a PNG image. And I'm actually just going to send it to that folder, into the data folder. There we go. Change me. So hit OK. We're going to extract this. And now if we come in here, we have a change me. Let's go ahead and we're going to delete these 2 files because you don't need those. So here's our test loading screen. This is what it's going to say. And now what we need to do is we need to convert these into EDDS files. So you're going to open up your DayZ tools. And you're going to want to open up just text views, all you need. So you just want text view. Now, right now, you do not want to change the name. You don't want it like, so it's going to say change me. You want to keep this UDZ 1, 2, and 3. If you want to change the name of this, you're going to have to come into your scripts, your game, open up your loading screen.c script file. And essentially you're just going to change this to here. So what I'll do just for this tutorial purposes is I'm just going to make it all one word, and it's going to say change me. Copy that, copy this, and we'll put it here. So this is how you could have, basically you could have 3 different loading screens if you wanted to. So here would be your 1, your 2, and your 3 if you really wanted to do it that way. We're just going to use the 1. So we're going to put all of them to changeme.edds. So we're going to close this. We're actually going to come back to this file right here. Let's go ahead and rename it so it matches. Change. Ooh, if I can spell it right. Me. So changeme.png. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up into our text view. We're just going to come into here, right? And all we want to do is we want to save this as. We're going to get rid of this PNG and we want to save it as a .edds. Come here, we'll just go to all files and we're just going to save. you're going to get an error right here that says that it can't load the file, which is perfectly fine because text view cannot load EDDS files. But all you need is this file right here. So once you have this file, literally that's all you need. You just need one. You don't even need a PAA file. You can delete this PNG file if you wanted to. Do not touch the mask file. Leave this alone. That needs to be there. At this point, we can go ahead and delete these three, and this is all you need. Now, if you were to have multiple screens, what you would want to do is, like I said, you come into your scripts, open up the loading screen.c, and then this would be like change me 1, change me 2, change me 3. And then you would basically have three different images in here. Let's close it. We're not going to save it. But you would have basically three different images in here, and it would say change me 1, change me 2, change me 3, and then it would basically it would just kind of give you some variety. You'd have a 33.3% chance for your loading screen to show. So once that's done, we've got our EDDS file in there. We're now going to go just to our add-on builder, and we're going to change this back over. So let's come over to our fixed loading screen. And then I'm sending this to my offline mode right now, which is where I test all of my mods. So we're just going to hit pack. It's going to tell me that one already exists because I've tested lots of loading screens. So we're just going to hit yes. We're going to hit OK. And then I'm literally just going to run the script to fire up my test thing, my little offline mode. And this is how I test all of my mods. Some mods don't work, some mods do. But as you see, we're loading in. It says this is my test loading screen. And that's it. It's literally that simple. Like I said, there's a lot of scripts out there for the loading screen mods that just don't work anymore. But this one, as far as I can tell, you can override deer aisles, even if the map has like a custom loading screen, this loading screen will override that loading screen. So that's basically it. We're going to let this just load in. We're going to load into the game, and then I'm just going to kind of close the game. Like I said, I will have this linked. I'll zip it. I'll have it linked into like a Mediafire or something. I'll even put it into my Discord for the people in the Discord. There's links below if you guys want to join the Discord. There's a lot of really cool, helpful people in there that can answer pretty much all questions when it comes to creating mods. Oh, I didn't mean to hit restart. Creating mods, playing around with Terrain Builder and whatnot. It's a really cool community. So if you guys are interested in that, you're more than welcome to join. And that's it. I wanted this just to be a quick, fast, simple, easy video. I didn't want it to be 20 minutes. Sometimes I have this tendency to just talk and talk and talk, and I just didn't want to do that with this one. So hopefully it helped. If it did, smash that like button. Smash it. I really appreciate it. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.